I'm Jared, and this is Dan, and in this video, we want to show you how to set up and use our brand new EasyWorship plugin. But before we get started, shameless plug, be sure to like this video, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new content. So the first question to ask about Companion is, Dan, how is it different than the Stream Deck?
Well, the Stream Deck is similar, but it's a hardware tool that allows you to program the keys to perform different actions on your computer, or even another computer on the same network, as you said before.
Right.
Now, there are a lot of plugins available for the Stream Deck, including one for EasyWorship, which we talked about in another video.
Sure.
But Companion is a software program with multiple buttons that can also be programmed to perform different actions on your computer, other devices on the same network, or even hardware that's connected to the computer.
Right, like lights or audio equipment.
Now with Companion, you'll use a web browser for control, or you can even connect your Companion setup to the Stream Deck to use as your controller.
Right.
So let's go ahead and take a look at it. Now to install Companion, go to bitfocus.io/companion and click the download button.
We'll also put a link in the description below to make it super easy for you guys to access.
Now you'll need to create a free account on their site to be able to download it. Now once you've signed in, you'll see the download options. At the time we recorded this video, the current version is 2.2.0. Now in our case, since we're running Windows, we'll click the Windows download. When it's finished downloading, open it and simply walk through the installation process. And we want to make sure when we connect Companion to EasyWorship that it'll be able to see it as a server. So at this point, make sure EasyWorship is open on the computer and then open Companion. In the window that opens, choose your GUI interface. Now, I'm going to choose All Interfaces and click Launch GUI. Your web browser will open and you should see the configuration wizard pop up. If not, you can click on it on the left. Then click Next. If you have a Stream Deck and you want to use it as your controller, select the Use Stream Deck Software via Companion plugin. Otherwise, if you want to just use your web browser for the controller, just click Next. If you need to make any changes on the Remote Control Services page, go ahead and do so. For EasyWorship, nothing needs to be changed here. Click Next. If you want an admin password, set it here and click Next. Then click Apply and Finish.
One quick side note, if you chose the option to use the Stream Deck, you have to have the Stream Deck software closed on your computer. If it isn't closed, this whole process won't work.
That's correct. Now on the Connections tab, search for EasyWorship under Add Connection and click Add. On the right side, create a remote name. This will be what shows up in EasyWorship under the Remote button. I'll call it Companion. Then choose your EasyWorship server. It should show the computer you're connecting to, and then click Save. Now go to the Buttons tab and click the button under Presets tab, and then click the Commands button. This will show you all the actions available in the plugin. First, we need to add the EasyWorship Play button to make the connection with EasyWorship. Drag and drop it where you want on the controller. If you're using a Stream Deck, you should see the EasyWorship icon appear on the interface. If you don't have a Stream Deck, click Emulator on the left, and this will open the controller in a new browser tab. Press the button we just added, and then go to your EasyWorship window and click on the Remote button on the toolbar. Click Pair next to the Companion, and it will show that it's connected. Now by default, it's locked. So to allow it access for control, click the lock icon next to it. At this point, you're connected and just need to set up any buttons you want to control the EasyWorship schedule. Now go back to your web browser. You can close the Emulator tab. We'll open it back up after we configure our buttons. Drag and drop the buttons you want to the controller. I'll add the logo black and clear. Then Previous and Next Schedule, and Previous and Next Slide. If you want to use Schedule Number and Slide Number buttons, you can add those as well. Now I like to create a new page for the slide number buttons. Just drag and drop as many as you want, then select each one and type in the slide number you want for it. Also, add the button text and the location you want displayed on that button.
Now, from how I understand it, Dan, this makes it super easy to jump around your schedules and your individual slides when you're in a song.
That's right. You just choose whatever schedule number you want or slide number you want, and it goes right to it.
Awesome.
Now we're ready to open the emulator or use your Stream Deck to control EasyWorship. In the Emulator tab, simply press the buttons for the actions you want to perform in EasyWorship. You can see as I press the buttons on the emulator, it's controlling the EasyWorship schedule.
How simple.
Yes, it is.
Not only does our companion plugin now make controlling EasyWorship even easier, you can also set it up to do other things like controlling your streaming software, lighting, audio recordings, and more all in the same place. Not to mention using macros to do multiple actions with just one single key press, which gives it a pretty big advantage over just using the Stream Deck plugin. That's pretty much it for the companion app, guys. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on Dan's beautiful face. And thank you for watching.
And thanks for choosing EasyWorship.